Hi to all. Now we can execute the program to find the biggest number in an array in 8085 microprocessor kit. I'm clicking the reset exam memory. I'm taking the initial address as an 8000 97 21. I have given before, so that's why it is displaying 5080, and next 4E I have to give 4E 23. Next DE, next D2, next 0 B, next 80, next 7E, next 0 D, next C2, next 05 80 32 50 90 76. I have given the input code values and clicking next. I am clicking the reset. So we have to give the first initial array value, so that is in the 8050. Based upon the array we have to insert the value. So we have this is the program to find out the largest number in an array, so that's why we have to give an array count. So that is in the location of 8050. So I am giving the array location in 8050, that is I am giving the just 4 count, that is 04. I am here given the 04. From this onwards, next 4 locations it will take the data, and then after giving the data we have to click execute and go, and then give the starting address and click execute, and then we can see the output value at 9050. Okay, clearly listen here. We are seeing the output value at 9050. We have given the initial count address is 4, from 50 to 55. From we are giving the input value at 8051 to 055. 8055. So now you can see how I am giving the address, the data in the address. So I am giving some 10 A C, okay, next 5 2, next 3. I have given, check it once, first value 10, next value C, next value 5, next value 2, and next value 23 I am giving. So next execute, go 8000, execute, reset exam memory 9050. So I have given the highest value is 10. In the given array 10 is the biggest value, and then we can check again the another input value 50. I am giving the count 5, next I am giving 94, next A4, next 44 54 64, then execute, go 8000, execute, reset exam memory 9050. So A4 is the biggest value in a given array. So likewise we can execute the program. Thank you.